Hello. This video is about the daily report automation tool developed by V3IT Consulting Incorporation. V3IT's daily report automation tool, DANIC, provides flexible, simple and easy automation for monitoring various basis transaction reports. It is Fiori-enabled tool which provides the runtime report as well as flexibility to schedule the automation report at predefined schedule. The DANIC is used to monitor systems health. Log on to the Fiori Launchpad and click on the System Monitoring Tool tile. We can see a list of systems to be monitored. Click on the Add System button to add a new system. Enter System ID, ABAP RFC connection name and select the operating system. Click on Save button to save the system. The system has been added and shown in the list. System Information tab displays system-related information such as SAP release of system, kernel release of system, etc. T-Codes tab displays the T-codes as panels, and on expansion of the panel, it displays T-code related information. On expansion of the panel of SE06 T-code, it displays two additional panels. First panel displays number of modifiable or enhanceable software components and gives information about modifiability status of all software components. Second panel displays number of modifiable namespaces and gives information about modifiability status of all namespaces. On expansion of the panel of SCC4 T-code, it gives client settings information of all clients in the system. On expansion of the panel of SCOT T-code, it gives information about number of send requests such as emails, faxes, etc. with respective statuses that is complete, waiting, in transit, error. SM12 T-code displays number of lock entries. On expansion of the panel of T-code, it gives information about current locked entries on database objects. SICK T-code is used to determine inconsistencies in the system. On expansion of the panel of T-code, it displays the status of consistency check. On expansion of the panel of DB02 T-code, it gives information about database performance overview. On expansion of the panel of SMLG T-code, it gives information about average response time per application server. SPAD T-code displays number of output devices which are not functional. On expansion of the panel of T-code, it displays the corresponding output devices. ST02 T-code displays number of buffers with red swaps. On expansion of the panel of T-code, it gives information about buffers with their corresponding swap count per application server. On expansion of the panel of ST03N T-code, it gives information on when the last workload analysis was carried out per application server. SP01 T-code displays number of erroneous spool requests. On expansion of the panel of T-code, it gives information about erroneous spool requests. The configuration option allows to specify how many days back spool entries to be monitored. A pop-up window appears. Enter the number of days and click on Save button. By default, number of days is set to 10 days. ST22 T-code displays number of runtime errors. On expansion of the panel of T-code, it gives information about type and count of runtime errors. SM37 T-code displays number of cancelled jobs. On expansion of the panel of T-code, it gives information about name and count of cancelled background jobs. On expansion of the panel of AL08 T-code, it gives information about current number of active, interactive, and RFC users in the system. On expansion of the panel of RZ03 T-code, it gives information about current server status and operation mode. On expansion of the panel of SM50 T-code, it gives information about status of all work processes per application server categorized by type of work processes. On expansion of the panel of SM51 T-code, it gives information about the number of active SAP application servers in the system. SM13T code displays the number of update errors. On expansion of the panel of T code, it gives information about system update request errors. SM21T code displays the number of errors in system logs. On expansion of the panel of this T code, it gives information about various errors in system logs on all application servers. For Linux systems, 3 additional T codes information is displayed. On expansion of the panel of DB02 old T code, it gives information about usage of various table spaces in Oracle. It also gives an estimated time in weeks until table space will fill up. This gives the support team enough time to increase the size of the respective table space. On expansion of the panel of DB16T code, it gives information about Oracle database-related errors. DB01T code displays number of Oracle locks. On expansion of the panel of T code, it gives information about Oracle locks. To send current system status report, click on Get Report button. A pop-up window appears. Enter the email ID of the person to whom the system report is to be sent, and click on the Send Report button. The report will be sent to the specified email ID. The Scheduling tab allows for setting the time at which the system report will be sent daily for a particular system. We can enable or disable sending notifications to recipients. Once a time is set, the user can save the schedule by clicking the Save Schedule button. The Notification tab displays a list of recipients maintained to send the system monitoring report. Click on Add Recipient button to add a new recipient. Select the recipient type. Enter the recipient based on recipient type and click on Save button to add new recipient. Let's add another recipient. To delete recipients, click on Delete Recipient button. Select the recipients to be deleted and click on Delete button. Click on Job Schedule button to schedule a background job. Set the job start date and time and click on Create Job button to start the background job. This background job monitors the system. After background job is started, there is an option to delete the job. To delete a system, select the system, and in the System Information tab, click on Delete System button. Thank you for watching the video. For any further queries, please contact us.